So it is the following Tuesday. Those are tires for the Mini Cooper that Angelica had bought for her car. Nate dropped by and wanted to get started on the process of going bigger. So he just got tired of it, trying to troubleshoot the exhaust leak. So he decided, nah, what the heck, let's go bigger. He's gonna go rotated setup. He is now in the process of removing this so that he can go ahead and sell it. Let me know if you guys are interested, and I'll put you in contact with Nate. But everything that he's getting is basically mostly V-band. Hey, what's the brand you getting, Nate?
ETS.
Nice, ETS kit. So it includes
6466 precision.
Ooh, that's gonna make some big power. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and once he's done with this, I'm gonna help him lower this downpipe down, get the turbo out, and hopefully maybe the next set of footage will be us installing the ETS kit. Hey guys, it is September 23rd, Friday afternoon. As promised, I would detail everything that I do to the EVO. So I just went ahead and picked up some items for the Subaru build, which is really not much. I just got some hoses, $50 worth, OEM hoses, and I picked up I had a $20 rewards coupon out of one of the local auto parts stores, so I figured I'd use it and change the air filter on the EVO. Also exchange a faulty old 3/8 wrench that I had. So Craftsman does honor their lifetime warranty, so I got myself a new one. I got a slimmer head because I know I had to deal with a lot of tight spaces in these cars. So anyway, just real quickly, just wanted to cover that small item, and I know it's trivial to most, but in case for the folks that don't know how to change their air filter, it is fairly simple. Let me get this thing propped up while holding the hood with my head. So really all it is just unclipping these 4 clips here, lifting this guy out of the way. There should be clips here, so the only reason I was able to rotate it because I'm missing one. So this is the air filter right here, and usually when you can't see through it, it's usually time to change it and get rid of it. So let me go grab that other piece, or that new piece. Hopefully I got the right one. Looks like I do. So just take this new one, just drop it in. I don't know if there's any difference to orientation. I don't think there is. Oh, that leaves a gap that way, so it's really pretty much, yeah, that's a little odd. Somehow it doesn't seem like it fits right, but yeah, this looks larger than actually no, I'm sorry, it's because it's got a lip towards it, so it's the same size. So that's the way to do it. With the rubber piece down. So just need to put it back on, clip this back up, and I'll get a clip on that some other time. And that's 50 horsepower right there at the wheels, all wheel.